It's the RAM Man. In this video we have an all AMD build. We're using a Ryzen 2200G with a VEGA 56. I also wanted to mention that this CPU is bottlenecking this GPU in some games. This platform is easily upgradable. You can definitely throw a Ryzen 1600 or 1400, 1500 in here, no problem, and you'll alleviate that bottleneck for about $20 or $30 more than this costs. So just keep that in mind if you want to go that route. I will be doing more videos with this build to show you guys what happens when you start upgrading the CPU. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe.